Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, it's time to dig the halls and transform your home into a winter wonderland. In this video, we are bringing you a treasure, travel or Christmas home decor ideas that will help you create a cozy, festive atmosphere. From traditional to modern, we have got something for everyone. So let's dive into the world of Christmas home decor. The Christmas tree is the centerpiece of holiday decors. Let's start with the classic Christmas trees. Bring by stringing the lights on the tree, followed by tin shelf for that extra sparkles. Hang your favorite ornaments and finishes it off with a stunning tree toppers. A beautifully decorated Christmas tree instantly set three festive mode in your home. Wreaths are a timeless addition to your holiday decor. For this idea, you will need weather bases, flux greenery, ribbons, ornaments. Customize your weatherhead by attaching flux greenery to the base, then add ornaments and finishes with a beautiful ribbon bowl. Hang it on your door, over the fireplace, or anywhere that needs a touch of Christmas charm. Garland is another classic that can be used in many creative ways. Gather these supplies: garland, strands, lights, ornaments, pine cones. Grape garland along staircase, mantels, or even along your dining tables. Add a lights, ornaments, and pine cones for a festive touch that bring the holiday sprinkles throughout your home. Candles create a warm and cozy ambience. Let's make a candlelights centerpieces. Glass candles handles, pillars candles, fresh or flux greenery, pine cones. Arrange fresh or flux greenery and pine cones around the base of the candles holders. Place pillars candles inside and lights them for a delightful holiday glow that perfect for your dining tables or coffee tables. Don't forget about the stacking. They are not just for hanging, they are also part of your decor. Christmas stockings, stocking hangers, mini ornaments. Hanging stocks for your mantels with decorative hangers. Add mini ornaments or even personalized name tags for an extra festive touch. Arrange decorative box or envelope in a visual appealing ways. Add the advent calendars numbers and shows them with ribbons. Not only does this look beautiful, but it's also help you count down to Christmas. Let's add a touch of whimsy with DIY snow globes. Here what you will need: mason jars, mini figures, artificial snow, craft glue. Glue mini figures to the inside of mason jars. Let's add a artificial snow and seal the jars. Turn them upside down and you have got charming snow globes to sprinkles some winter magics in your decor. And there you have it, Christmas home decor ideas that you will make your space feel warming and inviting during this festival season. Whether you perfect a traditional cozy look or a modern minimalistic style, there are you countless way to make your home shine with holiday spirit. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video with your friend to spread the holiday cheers.